Hi, good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, January 22nd, and we are well into the new year, and it has been quite some time since I've done any sort of video. Things are calming down, so I thought I would say hi with a little bit of an unboxing of one of my orders this month. So usually I order $100 worth of oils every month, and that usually fills in a lot of my inventory, or it will add some new products or specials or whatever, but usually it's like my regulars, like Lifelong Vitality Pack or anything like that. Well, this month I stocked up on some other things, and I was so excited, and I hit place, and I realized I didn't get everything that I wanted. So that means I get to do 2 orders this month. So the first one came, and I thought I would do a little unveiling of what does a regular order look like. And so I figured we could start doing this regularly. I think Mary's on. Hi, Mary. There's a little blue box that's covering anything you might have said. So I'm going to just let that go for now and talk to your comment later. So when I order and my order comes, I get a little purple box like this, right? These boxes are actually really cool. A lot of product engineers have changed designs and have made these boxes reversible so you can use them later without writing. So this is the second order. The bulk order will come later. And so in this order, I only have one little oil, and it is wrapped up in this bubble tape. Now, if you like to share your oils with people, I would really encourage saving this little bubble tape because it's adhesive and it goes really well around any type of bottle. So what did I get? I got Forgive. Can you read that? I decided I needed a copy of Forgive upstairs. It's got a nice minty herbaceous scent to it. Comes in a little 5 milliliter bottle. It cost about $20, and it is what I like to call my road rage oil. So if there's any like feelings of frustration or angst that you're dealing with, Forgive is my go-to oil. It can even help calm anxiety and things. And when I came home, I found this big doTERRA box. So a little bit about the 2 orders. So I sell essential oils as a business. I connect people to better health and wellness, and we use essential oils as the tool. doTERRA is what is called network marketing, where we use our networks to connect people, and this is how we grow our businesses. And in this business, we have a requirement where we order about $100 per month. So that's a $1,200 per year investment to be able to receive any commissions from the sales of signing someone up with an account or just selling oils or whatever. So it's a $1,200 annual investment in our business. And they do this for a couple reasons. One, it gets you to, put a little money up front, right? And so you're investing in your product. 2, the products are amazing. And because they're amazing, we need to know how to use them. And so this keeps our inventory fresh, and it keeps it consistent, and keeps us being a product of the product. So when I put my order in, I was about $20 shy accidentally. And the reason I was $20 shy is because I put a lot of stuff on my order. And the reason I put a lot of stuff on my order is because I have, one of the things that doTERRA does is they give you 30% back, so $30 for every $100 you spend. So I've been ordering oils for so long now that every $100 I spend, I get 30 basically doTERRA bucks that I can spend whenever I want. And this month, I decided to stock up. So let's see what my unveiling is. So sorry for the camera angle. It's my back might be to you a little bit. That's not my intention. So this was kind of heavy, and because I kind of forgot what I ordered. So the first thing, it's a super easy open. You saw I used a knife to get the tape. And then we've got plastic air bubble things, mailers for the cushions. Much better than styrofoam. I tend to keep them in a box and then occasionally try to get rid of them. I prefer to use my Buy Nothing group. I might use something else. So then you also get a packing slip, and that will explain all of the things that you got. And then there'll usually be some other sort of paper like advertising, whatever the promotions are for the month. So what did I get for spending right around $100? The first thing I decided to do was to stock up on my On Guard Cleaner Concentrate. This is my go-to, so I got 4 of these. This is my go-to for cleaning my bathroom, cleaning everything, creating all-purpose spray bottles. You could use it in hand sanitizers. And I'm even going to be using it a little bit in some of our liquid soap dispensers that I make. So you squirt a little bit in, you add some water, maybe add some other oils, and then you have the foaming top on top, and then you've got a great soap that goes a long way. I got some oils too. We'll get those in a second. The next thing I got was my PB Assist. This is a 30 capsules in this little packet here, and these are the probiotics. They're double encapsulated, so that means the 5 million probiotics that are within it. So all that good bacteria, all that good healthy gut bacteria that's in there stays exactly where it needs to be, and then it breaks open once it hits the stomach, and the double encapsulation is eroded with your stomach acids, and then it goes into all the places that you need to. When we're dealing with dis-ease, gut health is the primary place we want to look to be able to fix that. So then I got some oils. I needed to stock up on a couple things. I looked over, and I'm sorry for the loudness of this. I don't have a sophisticated sound setup. This is iPhone doing the job here, and it's doing pretty good. I was low on my Hawaiian sandalwood, which just makes me sad, so I've got that. This I use my product points for, so no cost. No additional cost, I should say. Clary Sage. Clary Sage is an amazing support for muscles. So if you have a muscle that is not behaving, or you have occasional aches and pains in that space, then Clary Sage is a really good one to help tame that. Think really specifically for women as well. It's also the oil of clarity and wisdom. And so if you are looking to create your 2019 vision board, this might be something you put on your third eye or the crown, and you maybe meditate with that, or put it in your diffuser to help you see clearly whatever you might be working on. A vision board is just one example. And then the other oil I got right here is Ylang Ylang. Ylang Ylang is a great support for many things. I like to use it to support my hormones as a woman in all the ways that they need support. So think throughout a month where things are ebbing and flowing and whatnot, and you need that. And it's also really great for calming the occasional anxiety. And you like to use that in partnership with bergamot, which is a citrus. Ylang Ylang is a flower, and bergamot is a citrus. Now I've got these hefty boxes in here, so we're going to open those up and make sure that I don't have any more oils. Pardon the box and the screen. So now I've got these 2 big boxes here, and we're going to take the tape off. Do you see what this says? Conditioner. And this one says shampoo. So a couple years ago, doTERRA created and expanded their spa line. So one of the things that when you get into the essential oils, so I've been into pure things for a long time, and when I found out about essential oils, I was really excited as a really great way to get to the root of a thing using the source of a thing without any added fillers. And so when a company has a product where they don't have any added fillers, we usually want them to do more of that thing because we're trying to have a cleaner, greener life. So when they came up with their spa line, it was like, yay, now we have easy access to a cleaner, greener life and all the things that we do. Now, you can absolutely wash your hair with just a Castile soap and then use oils and augment it that way. I do like to have my shampoo and conditioner, and so that's what this is. When they got the when they started it, the shampoo and conditioner were in a pretty standard size. And then shortly after that, they made these bulk sizes. which I really appreciate, because when we're doing wholesale buying, one tenet of wholesale buying is reducing packaging, reducing our waste, and reducing the number of times we're going to the grocery store, even if it is a virtual store. So check these out. Isn't that great? These are 32 fluid ounces. One sort of normal sized bottle will last me a couple months, so I'm expecting this to last a good chunk of the way through the year, if not the whole year. On the days that I'm not doing an actual physical wet wash, I will use a dry shampoo that I made with arrowroot powder and cocoa powder because I have pretty dark hair, right? And so I use the cocoa powder because I don't want it to look all white and chalky. And then I'll use some essential oils like rosemary, which are really great hair oils. And then that'll help absorb the oils in my very oily hair. And so I go a couple days between actual scrubby washes, and that helps to promote the natural oils in my hair to do their thing and then keep all of that in balance. So that is what about $100 order looks like through doTERRA when you use the points that you've accrued. And look at all this. So we've got a couple huge bottles of shampoo, 3 new oils, some vitamins, and 4 bottles of a cleaner concentrate that should last me, again, a good portion, if not the whole year or more. So super excited. Thanks so much for this unboxing, and then the next one will be in February. Bye-bye.